Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive machines ever built for true adventure seekers, a gigantic 6x6 expedition motorhome that takes overlanding to an entirely new level. If you've ever imagined traveling the world with total freedom, unmatched comfort, and unstoppable off-road capability, then this beast right here is going to redefine your expectations. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully mobile fortress designed to conquer mountains, deserts, frozen landscapes, and anything the world throws at it, all while giving you the luxury of a high-end apartment on wheels. As you approach this massive machine from the front, the presence is overwhelming. The towering stance, the aggressive grille, and the huge off-road tires instantly tell you that this vehicle was engineered for extreme terrain. The aerodynamic lines blend beautifully with its rugged features, giving it a modern yet powerful personality. The wide windshield provides incredible visibility, making long journeys safer and more enjoyable. Those LED headlights aren't just bright, they're designed to cut through fog, storms, and complete darkness, ensuring you're always in control no matter where the road, or lack of road, takes you. Moving along to the side, the length of this 6x6 motorhome becomes even more obvious. The triple-axle setup guarantees stability and traction across uneven landscapes. Each wheel is fitted with military-grade off-road tires capable of handling mud, sand, snow, and rocky paths. The exterior storage compartments give you more than enough room to pack all your camping gear, tools, and supplies for long expeditions. The tinted panoramic windows blend seamlessly with the cabin, keeping the interior cool and private while giving passengers amazing views of the world outside. The clean white finish gives the entire vehicle a premium feel, making it look like a futuristic exploration unit ready for launch. Now let's head to the rear, where the design remains just as impressive. You'll notice the sturdy ladder that provides access to the roof, perfect for carrying extra solar panels, luggage, rooftop tents, or even creating a viewing deck for sunsets in the wilderness. The rear access door is built tough with reinforced paneling, ensuring durability for years of off-grid use. The taillights are modern, bright, and designed to withstand dirt and harsh conditions. Everything about the back of this motorhome screams practicality and rugged reliability, exactly what you need for adventures far away from civilization. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior of this motorhome is like stepping into a luxury apartment. Soft ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood after a long day of travel. The spacious layout makes the cabin feel open and welcoming. High-quality leather seating provides comfort whether you're relaxing, eating, or planning your next destination. The panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light while giving you breathtaking views no matter where you're parked. Whether it's the snowy mountains or a quiet desert night, the scenery becomes part of your daily living experience. The kitchen area is compact but fully equipped with modern appliances, stovetop, fridge, microwave, and plenty of cabinet space. Everything is designed with smart efficiency so you can cook meals just like you would at home. Moving further inside, the sleeping area brings hotel-level comfort to the outdoors. A premium mattress, soft bedding, and warm lighting make it the perfect place to recharge after exploring rough terrains. The clever placement of storage ensures every inch of space is used wisely, keeping the cabin organized without sacrificing comfort. A built-in command center with digital touch panels allows you to monitor battery levels, solar power input, water usage, temperature, and more. It's your control hub for off-grid living, giving you complete command over the vehicle's systems. The climate control keeps you warm in freezing environments and cool in scorching deserts, making this motorhome a true all-season machine. Whether you're crossing remote mountain passes, traveling through forests, or camping by a quiet river, this 6x6 expedition motorhome gives you unmatched independence. It's built for explorers, photographers, full-time travelers, and anyone who dreams of living life beyond the ordinary. With this machine, the world becomes your backyard, and every journey becomes a story worth telling. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more content about extreme vehicles, futuristic RVs, and next-level motorhomes, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures right here on Mr. Wheel Wonders.